This video is a breakdown of my 5 different income streams. In this video, I'll chat about the difference between active and passive income. I'll share my 5 income streams and I'll do a breakdown of the dollars I've earned in each. I think it's important to have multiple sources of income to diversify your income. Being completely reliant on one income stream can be problematic if you were to lose that income stream. Having multiple income streams acts as a safety net if one of those other sources of income dry up. Only having one income stream is a bit like only investing in one individual stock, rather than investing in stocks across multiple asset classes or a diversified index fund. It's risky. Starting a business has really opened my eyes to the endless possibilities available. I've gone from 2 income sources to 5, and there's still so much more I want to do with family finance, but just need to find the time. Maybe I need to start thinking about outsourcing. I like Brandon's definition of active and passive income, and I'm going to attempt to summarize it in my own words. Active income is when you do the work and get paid for the work. You only get paid once. If you want to get paid again, then you have to do the work again. The process follows work, pay, and so on. While passive income is when you do the work once but continue to get paid for it once the work is completed. The process follows work, pay, and so on. There is a misconception that passive income requires no work. But even with dividend investing, which I think is one of the most passive forms of income there is, you still do the work once, which was earn the money to be able to invest it. And then once that money is invested, you continue to get paid via the dividends. So now I'm going to go through my different income sources from the most active down to the more passive. My first income stream and the most active is my teaching wage. I work 2 days a week and I'm at the top of the pay scale for a teacher in Queensland. I think senior teachers get paid very well, but it does take 10 years to get to this level of income. Here is a snapshot of my payslip. I earn $1,451 a fortnight before tax and after my superannuation contribution comes out, which works out to be $1,283 a fortnight after tax. And as always, if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it really does help to support my channel. And then the next income stream is my YouTube channel. I started the channel 11 months ago, but the channel has only been monetized for the last 5 months. This means I can now have ads on my videos, and I get paid a proportion of the revenue that those businesses pay YouTube to advertise on the platform. My top earning video so far has been why the first 100K is the toughest. It takes me about 7 hours to create a video, so I'm not really breaking even just yet. Lucky I enjoy the process. And here is the monthly breakdown of how much the channel has made. October only had about 1 week worth of ads, so that's why it's so low. And we're only 3 weeks into February with these stats, so that's why it's looking a little lower than the other months. And these amounts are all before tax. The total revenue has been $1,235.43, and that was at the 20th of February 2021. My next income stream is my Etsy store. I sell personal finance trackers, but I haven't had a new one for a while, so that income for this has been dropping. I currently have on there a progress to financial independence tracker and a dividend tracker, but I'm still working on my budget tracker. And after about 6 months, I've earned $469.87. And this is before tax. And the fees were $45.12. And I think that's not too bad to be able to use the platform and essentially set up an online store instantly. And here is the monthly breakdown of income and the fees. And you can see here that the income has slowly been slowing down. My next source of income are my affiliate links. Most months, my affiliate income is close to the income from the channel, which I wasn't expecting. I could probably earn more than this, but I'm really picky with the affiliates that I choose. There's a few affiliate programs in the personal finance community that I just don't believe in. So the affiliates that I have are ShareSite, which is a portfolio tracking tool, Shopback and Cash Rewards. These are great and I can't believe I've only just discovered them. I use both of them and I work out which one has the best deal at the time. I have 86400, which is a bank I use for my family finance income, and Amazon affiliates for the links I have in my video description for recommended books. Actually, you can see all of these affiliates in my video descriptions. My monthly affiliate income for November was $205 before tax, $190 in December, and $242 in January. And the last income stream is my dividend income, which is the most passive out of all my income streams. These are the dividends from my exchange-traded funds, listed investment companies, and a couple of individual stocks. And according to ShareSite, over the last 12 months, my dividend income has been $2,170 before tax. And if I add all of those income streams together and allow for tax, my weekly income is $763.31. And this is made up of $641 from my teaching wage, $46 a week from YouTube, $13 from Etsy, $33 from affiliates, and $28 a week from dividends. My ideal income diversification would be a 3-way split between family finance income, dividends, and my teaching wage. But this is what it's looking like at the moment. I'm relying heavily on my teaching wage, followed by family finance, which still isn't a huge amount, but I am looking forward to tracking these numbers to see how they change. Thanks so much for listening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and you can also find me on Instagram and Facebook. See you next week.